searching.
Hey guys, look at all this new growth on this viburnum. Okay, I have two viburnums here that I didn't plant last year. Right here, I think the price is still on. I think I paid $10 for this. I think I've made a video on this, but I put all of this in my basement, and look at all these new growth they've had. Like, it's it's so amazing. And look at this though. Look at this. Look at this. This limelight. All this very, very nice growth. And look at this salvia. Like, it's so cool. Like, I don't know. And then you have still these new growth. It's very nice to actually see this. I'm tempted to leave them in the basement forever, but I won't do that. And then look at this here. I have this right here, you know, and right here. All these new growth, and I'm hoping I can plant these in the next few days or weeks, you know, and this one here, you know, also. But yeah, look at the new growth on all these plants. Now let me show you the Dracaena though. So remember, I'm actually going to cut this before I begin. So look at this here. The reason why it has these sort of black tip here is that I've actually overwatered this. I actually watered about once a month, and I think that was too much because they said it was very, very drought tolerant. So I'm going to separate this and take them out of the soil and repot them into this organic soil. Something totally different from this here. My table, I have these house plants that I want to repot. I have some begonias there, peace lily, and something else there. And if you notice, I have another birdhouse. I think I'm getting addicted to this, but this is the last one. I'm not gonna get any more birdhouses. Yeah, so this is the last one. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna cut some of this off. You know, I think one of these, there's like let's see, I think this here might be dead, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to repot it. I'm gonna put them in these little pots. I'm gonna put them in this little pot, okay? And then yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. It's Patty here again. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am building a garden from scratch here in Connecticut, and I shall be bringing you guys along with me as I show you what I'm doing. Don't mind me, I just have a shoe. I'm looking for my shoes. But today's video is just an update to the Dracaena spike that I had overwintered last year around November. I just put this because I don't have a greenhouse. I just plop all of them into my basement. I put them on the floor. I'm in a plastic, over a plastic sheet or something like that. But in addition to some of the other plants that I didn't put in the ground, and I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you how these things have done.
Do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you.
The Dracaena, I think I may have overwatered them, but they will survive. I think one of them is not doing too good, but I'm gonna repot them into a different soil. And in my basement, there's no special lights. I kept it dark in there. The only thing that I ran all year, all winter time, as we've had a bad winter here in Connecticut, I left the dehumidifier on, so I think that also helped a lot in putting the new growth there. But they look so healthy and amazing. It's unbelievable. Hey guys, so I think I have about 10. I've taken them out of the pot. I tried to repot this. The roots are very dry. I'm using this sort of organic mix. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, so I have this has already been potted And what are the plant food I'm going to be using? I'm going to be putting this in water. I've shown this in many of my videos. I really like this product. This product usually helps me a lot. So I'm going to be using this for them in the water. But I have 1, 2. I think I can probably divide this. So I can probably get 2 here. So do you see this? I can probably divide this. I'm just gonna divide this and make it into 2 plants. So 1 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This has green, but I don't see a lot of roots, so I may have to use rooting soil on this. I don't know if this will work. This one also does have some green, so I don't know if it's dead or I'm just gonna still put it in a pot because I have extra pots. And then this one also looks like it's dead, but do you see, like, do you guys see there's a little green in here? So I'm just gonna pot everything, right? So I probably have about 10 or 11. So let me go ahead and do this quickly. And then I think I can use the small pots for this one.
Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. Start. This wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't wanna know.
Hey guys, so all of these have been potted up by the with the organic potting mix, and I'm just going to give it some little plant food. I'm just putting in water here. This thing smells awful. I'm not gonna drench them. I just want to give them a little water just to wet the roots, and that's it. Done. I have 3 in a pot here because I think this is a bigger pot. I don't want to waste it.
Searching for something that ain't gone. Have you got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. Try to fix the weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken.
And that's it, guys. I am all set. And so this actually has been a very, very good thing that I did last year. Hopefully I'm gonna do a lot more this gardening season where I can save some of my plans for next year and save on the cost of gardening. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!